Hello Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is new moon in Taurus reading for sun, moon and rising in Aries. Okay, so this new moon is happening on May 11th. Okay, and it is one of a good new moon this time for us. Okay, we are going to be getting a lot of blessings, earthly blessings, and there could be some financial opportunities, or you could be getting an opportunity to earn new income. An income source can open up for you, or if you have had some money problems right now, that can be resolved, and you could be buying something luxurious for yourselves during this time. And also it is the right time for you to set some nice financial goals for you Aries. It's happening in your second house in Taurus, right? So second house is all about self-worth, self-confidence, income sources, and also applying for a budget and setting good budget standards and everything. So I'm using the Hanson Roberts Tarot today. Okay, and let's focus on what's the energy right now for you and how this new moon is going to affect you. I'm going to pull out a 5-card spread for you. Okay, this will be the first significator that's going to happen during this new moon for you. And what's the obstacle, what's the foundation, the past, your crowning, and the future energy. Okay, and we'll see how it is going to be focusing this new moon for you. Okay, so what's the significator for Aries right now? What's the significator for Aries, this new moon? The significator is the Two of Cups. Beautiful. So you could be in love with someone, or you could be in a relationship. A business partnership can blossom right now. And the obstacle is the Moon card. The obstacle is the Moon card. Okay, this could be a romantic secret partnership or something romantic. You could be feeling romantic also during this time, Aries. So what's the foundation? The foundation is the Five of Pentacles. Foundation is the Five of Pentacles. So Five of Pentacles is all about feeling a little bit out in the cold, or you could have some kind of issues right now. Maybe you could be going through monetary issues right now with an ex or with a business partner, or if you are currently going through a breakup, Aries, you may be facing some issues right now. So let's see what's the past energy for Aries. What's the past? Wow, the Devil. Okay, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, or there could be abandonment issues right now, Aries. That's what I'm getting. Abandonment issues. There could have been a breakup here, or a business partnership, or if you're tied up to with someone in a job, or with an ex that's money oriented, or are you codependent on someone right now? Wow, the crowning is the Ace of Cups. The crowning is the Ace of Cups. Okay, you could be going through a spiritual awakening right now because of this energy. Maybe if you are recently broken up, or if you have secret feelings, maybe you're afraid to confess this love to this person. It is like I'm getting mixed energy. So let's see what's the tentative outcome for this new moon in Taurus for Aries. Tentative outcome, Queen of Rods. Queen of Rods, that's you, Aries. That's you. And the overall energy is the Queen of Swords. So two queens here. Okay, potent woman energy. Okay, so this could be getting in touch with your Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, and Five of Pentacles. Is maybe if you had a recent breakup with the Moon card, there could have been some secret that came out about a relationship, a partnership. You found out that they are codependent on you, or they are jealous of you, or if you have found new love, there is an jealous ex here that's trying to stop you from going towards a new love here, Aries. Okay, the Two of Cups could also mean that this is a soul tie-up, a soul partnership that's entering into your life, and someone, you could have been codependent on someone, or you could have someone could be jealous of you moving towards another person here. With the Ace of Cups crowning your energy, with the Five of Pentacles in the foundation, most Aries could either be coming out of a relationship that was toxic and they are moving towards new love. Okay, or you have moved on to a new love and there is a jealous ex still in the pictures in the past. Devil energy could be a Capricorn. Okay, I have Aries here, Capricorn here, Scorpio. Okay, and could be a Libra, Gemini, or an Aquarius here, with the Queen of Swords being the overall energy. Queen of Swords for me could be about a breakup, okay? Could be about a breakup, could be about someone that's trying to speak the truth, okay? Come out of a situation and understand that it's going to be what's the energy here, okay? So I'm going to pull out one oracle card for you. It's the energy oracle decks here, okay? Let's see what's the overall energy for the new moon in Taurus for Aries. Indecision, okay? Indecision is what I'm getting, okay? So is it visible, or I'll keep it here? Indecision. So indecision, maybe you're going through some kind of dilemma between a past person that was in a relationship with you, and maybe you are right now feeling a little bit insecure about moving on to this new love, or okay, let's clarify. Okay, if this is a secret love, Aries, that you're trying to move on to, or this is a secret love that is you're trying to decide, keep this relationship a secret, because there's someone that's jealous here. Could be someone that does not want you to go towards this new love. They know that you have found new love, and maybe you're moving on. You're in your power with the Queen of Rods here. You know that you're absolutely. You could be attractive, or you could be really this could be a passionate love. Maybe you have found the true love here, but the other person could be jealous here. I have reversals in this deck, okay? I don't have reversals in this deck, okay? So let's clarify. Let's find out some more about what's the Aries is currently dealing with, what this indecision could be. Two of Cups here. What's this bond here? The Two of Cups. Two of Cups for me could be even a relationship, business partnership too. Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, this is, maybe you could have invested a lot of time, energy, or yeah, maybe this is someone that you're trying to, you have invested a lot of time. Maybe you had a soul contract or a soul tie-up with this person, and that turned out to be a little more like maybe money oriented, or this partnership could have been based only on the investment. Maybe you put some you put some money into a business together, and you thought you could go into business with your partner or this person, and maybe they are feeling jealous that you're trying to come out of the relationship, take your investment out of the relationship and move on to new things. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe they're losing money because of your if you're moving out of it, maybe you're losing money right now, or they are losing money because of you, Aries. So what's the secret? What's this new moon here? What's the secret here? Why is the moon the obstacle? Why is the moon the obstacle here? King of Pentacles, okay? Could be dealing with a Capricorn here, Aries. I feel a strong Capricorn here, okay? King of Pentacles is someone that is stable, that is committed, or someone that is very good with money, with finances, okay? This could be you, or this could be the person you're dealing with, Aries, okay? I don't know why, since the Queen of Rods is here and the King of Pentacles, I think this is the Capricorn ex or the Capricorn person that you had a relationship with or a partnership. That could be this person, this business partner could be the one that is hiding secrets from you. Maybe they are jealous, they are secretly watching you, or they could be hiding that they are stable, or they are gaining money through you, or they could be dependent on you for money or for this business partnership. So Five of Pentacles. So someone feels out in the cold, left out from the business, left out from the relationship. Let's see what's this Five of Pentacles here. Five of Pentacles. The Justice reverse, okay. If you are going through a legal situation, okay, maybe you're going through currently settling the money, okay. If there is a breakup in a business partnership, or you're legally fighting to get something, money out of your ex or someone you're dealing with, that this could be a legal situation here. Or maybe you're fighting out and you feel that it is injustice that this person is coming out of your life, or you're going out of this person's life, and maybe you're still working out the financial aspects of it, okay. Maybe you're working out the monetary terms here, okay. So what's the Devil card here? Why is the Devil here in the past? Devil. Chariot reversed, yeah. Major Chariot reversed, Justice reversed with the Devil, okay. Maybe this person is Could have been indecisive, definitely indecision. And see, the indecision card, this person has two placats here. They don't know which direction to go. Okay, maybe this person could have been, or you could be holding on to this person, because even in the chariot card, there's two different energies. Okay, and they are indecisive. They don't know which way to go. And this is like one person controlling. The chariot here, and they don't know, this is sitting in the driver's seat and finding out which direction to go. With it's in the reverse, someone has made the decision, okay, the finally, and this was keeping you stuck. Maybe you had to sell a home, sell a business, or move away, or get divorced and move to a different place, and that was the reason that was holding you back from moving on here, Aries. Maybe you're trying to get the money to move. Maybe you're waiting on that here. Okay, the Ace of Cups here. Let's see. The World card, beautiful. I think you're ready to start a new cycle. You're ending something. You're trying to get your money. You're trying to settle down, or settle things with this past ex or this business partner, and move on to new locations, new ventures. Maybe you found new love here, and you're trying to close this chapter with this person. Make a firm decision. Settle the money, monetary things, and then move on. Okay, so the Queen of Rods here. Let's see, why is the Queen of Rods here? That's you, Aries. That's you in your power. Wow, Seven of Wands. Yeah, you're trying to defend yourselves. Maybe you have fought a lot over this money situation. Okay, maybe this legal situation, this legal battle. Maybe you were in this battle with this person. The King of Pentacles could be a strong Capricorn, Aries, okay, and you're finally making a decision. This new moon could be the significant thing for you, where you stand up for yourselves. You block this person out. You finally make the decision to move on to your new love. And definitely with this in the crowning energy, you could be attracting new love or new life here, okay, or there could be a spiritual awakening. With the World card, you could be starting a new cycle here, okay. If you are going through an ending with a significant person in business or in a life, I think this is the end for you. You're trying to start a new cycle here, Aries, okay. So I hope this new moon is something that's symbolic for you, especially with so much of money related stuffs. I think you will be getting some kind of monetary solution that is helping you to move on finally from this situation, okay. I hope this reading resonated with you, Aries. Thank you.